According to the National Fire Protection Association 20 standard for the installation of stationary pumps for fire protection, a single emergency shutoff valve or main shall be installed upstream of the fire pump main control. This means that there should be a main disconnect before the fire pump main or controller. There are several reasons for this requirement. Firstly, the main disconnect provides a means to quickly and easily shut off the water supply to the fire pump in the event of an emergency, such as a leak or a pump failure. Secondly, the main disconnect allows for isolation of the fire pump system for maintenance or repairs without disrupting the rest of the building's water supply. The main disconnect should be located as close as possible to the FPL vault. It should be clearly labeled as fire pump main disconnect. The main should be sized appropriately for the capacity of the fire pump. However, there is an exception to this requirement. The requirement for a main disconnect before the fire pump main or controller does not apply if firstly the fire pump is connected directly to a single dedicated water supply, for example, a private underground water tank without any intermediate piping or valves, or secondly the fire pump has a built-in main disconnect that meets the requirements of NFPA 20.